Hey my gators, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime, and I'm single mom versus the fixer upper. Okay, so today I have a just little kind of organized, get it together with me, just not too long. I'm gonna try not to stretch it. So as y'all know, y'all would have already seen the video of the fact that I transformed those cabinets into the laundry room. Now, all that stuff that was on top of the laundry room in the back is like scattered all over the place. All this laundry stuff here, and we have over here, oh, you can't, all the other stuff, the laundry basket and all the other boxes of Arm & Hammer wipes and all that stuff there. So what I'm going to do is kind of like speed the video up, get this stuff out the way, just to, and it's just time for me to clean off this island and giving me I'm annoyed type vibes. So we're gonna clean this up because it's like a catch-all. Everything is just being thrown here, tossed here, and it's annoying. So we're gonna clean this all up, and we're going to wipe these out. I'm going to wipe these out. These are the cabinets in the laundry room. So I'm going to wipe these out, put my washing stuff there on the bottom, and then in the top here, we're going to be putting all the stuff that needs to go back in here and kind of organize it. I wanted to leave one side just for my washing powder and stuff, and then this side just for the extra stuff, because I'm still debating if this is going to be a pantry or not. Y'all know I'm taking time to live with this little piece here sitting here just to see if I'm going to like it, and just to see if I want to keep it there as a pantry, which I'm going to build on top of it and do some things. So it's going to look right, and I still have, look at this, I still have ample space to get in and out the kitchen. Those two drawers goes in that credenza that goes back in the bathroom with the two let me show you. The floors are being done, so that right there, these two go underneath there. These two here go into that cabinet, which we're doing in the laundry room, and then those are the clips. So let's get the clips in and let's wipe that out and then get this stuff inside. Y'all, these things are freaking heavy. See them? And they're like solid. Well, I guess it was heavy because it was two, but yeah, we're gonna put these back in here, sort of, like this. I just gotta figure out exactly where I want them in here, but we're gonna put these back inside here. Hold on one second. I'm getting ready to be Mr. Willie's going to come. I'm gonna wipe this out. This is, I think I only have like 1 or 2 more packs of this, so I'm gonna get rid of these because I do have the Arm & Hammer ones that you're gonna see that I put in. Hold on. I just want to wipe it down and get these in. It's not really dirty. I did wipe it once before. And I don't know what I'm going to paint this, what color I'm going to paint it. I don't know at this point. Now I see, I think those are too low. Let me get the shelf in and I'll show it to you. Okay, I got the first set of clips in, and they look like they're nice and sturdy. Metal. This is made so well. It can come up if I wanted it to, but once the pressure goes down, it kind of stays in place. All right. I don't know if I need to put 2 in here. We're going to see. I feel like maybe if I did, it would be lower down here. I don't know. Maybe I should bring that up a little bit, then put another one. Let me get the stuff. I'll be right back. So one dilemma was this would not fit back under here. Like it will, but it's real tight. And I guess it could stay right here. See, it has to be like further down this way because I don't know, it's a little tighter pushing it that way. So I'm gonna leave that there. That's my washing stuff that I use. Now my Folex, I usually keep in there, but I can't. So the Folex can, I guess, stay over here. I'm gonna wipe that out. But I definitely want this to be out because I use that on a consistent basis. I figure when I get that stand here that I want to have built, it'll be a little better. But for right now, I got my vinegar, baking soda, and my OxyClean until that runs out. I won't be using that anymore. But I just got it because it had a great deal at Big Lots. So let me wipe the other one out and then we're going to get all the stuff in here. See, this has lots of levels up here. I can't even reach up there. So I probably won't be putting nothing but stuff that I really don't use as much on that top one. Let me get the other stuff. Car. So see, this stuff will go over here. The washing stuff. All that will go there. This is extra stuff for the house. That's not actual. That there. Put that there. I feel like, I don't know if I'm not liking it. This may be a pantry. This may be a pantry. Hold on. That's that. Put that in there. There. Stick these here. Just so I can get these boxes from around the house. And I think I'm going to put some of my tissue in here too. Half of it in here, and I'll probably minimize that box and then put the other half in here and probably put it in the garage. Make sure it's closed up tight. These I can put in here. I gotta have these on my side of my bed in my room. I gotta have my tissues. Alright, so these fit nicely. So this is like the stuff that's not pantry items. It's like toiletry stuff, being that I don't want to have a, I don't have a real linen closet. All right. So what happens is a lot of times when people are in that bathroom, they need tissue. And so this could come out here. And so we're going to eliminate that. Maybe I should put the tissue up there. I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. And no, that won't go up there. I know I'm going to be opening one of these soon. That's not going to go on top. I'm trying to eliminate extra space. This is annoying. This is annoying. Okay. Can these fit up there? Sideways maybe? Yeah. Put one the other way. Hopefully that'll be fine for right now. And I can take this tissue. Don't need my scrubs to be falling down. Because y'all know I will moon y'all in a quick minute. These things so big and huge. Like crazy. Okay. This just makes me feel good because there's so many boxes and I just want to eliminate some of them. And this is going to be temporary for right now. Easy access for the girls, especially when they're on this toilet. It's like somebody's like, I need some tissue. When my stuff get down to like 10 rows, this gets down to like the last row, I like to literally buy another box. And this box will last me about a year, and it's about $40-something. So, yeah, I love that. Love it, love it. Yeah, that's going to get quite a bit in here. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Like a toiletry space Then I can put any extra if I need it down here. I can bring my vinegar in here now because I usually use it in the laundry. So yeah. Ugh, let's get that up there. This is not sped up. This is real life. I'm not editing this. I'm just, boom. Let's see. Can I get one more? Right here. Yep. All right. So that's going to be like that. Think I should fill it up, y'all? I think so. I think I could get more. And I'll just move them if need be, because some will be going under my sink in my bathroom. My main bathroom. So, could y'all even see? Hold on. Thank y'all for joining me. Y'all, I'm hot. I'm all hot and sweaty. I'm just so tired of these big old boxes. Now I can use them for Goodwill. And when I get ready to do yard sale, I can use the boxes for that. Instead of having this big old box, tugging it all over the place. We're going to put it right in here and get this stuff out the box. Because I don't have anything at the moment that needs to go in here. And so I just rearrange and move it. But let me put this in and I'll be right back. Look at all this tissue. And I still got it. Oh, Lord. I guess just for sanity purposes, it's no point in having this little bit of tissue in this box. So I'm going to just get it all out. I'm just going to stuff this up. So what I'm going to do with this excess here is put it under the sink in here. And this half bathroom, and then put whatever I need to put. I'm going to actually make this look a little bit better by putting it towards the front and leaving this spot right here a little blank. Yeah. Just so it's, yeah, boom. That's what, because I got a couple things I can put there. And remind you, that is empty. I still have a whole drawer here. And that's going to be for extra washing soap and stuff like that. So that's what we're working with. Let me put this in this drawer, in this cabinet. Okay, I put 6 in there. And it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are going to go under the credenza that needs to go back in the bathroom. And not all the areas are loaded up. Nobody should have to touch this tissue. So that's that. Yeah, these can go. These are my pads for my little mop. They can go right here. I do got some little baskets, but I didn't start opening up those boxes yet. So these are the new cabinets. Y'all, the cabinets that I paid. The cabinets that I paid literally $15. $15 for these plus that big huge one. I'll try to link below in this video the going to Habitat and getting that big one that's like really high. Like, it was too big, okay, and really deep. It's like double the size of this. It came out like this far. So I'll show that below. But secondhand finds, solid wood, beautiful. It's gonna all come together. I promise you, it's gonna all come together. Thank you for joining me. If you are new to the family, please join the family by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. I am the single mom versus the fixer-upper, starting over from an 18-year marriage, starting all over in a city, in a town where I know no one, and a state where I know no one and don't have any family. I bought a fixer-upper that looked like something you didn't want to walk into, and I'm creating a home out of it. I'm making this my home. It's actually my home already, but I'm making it more cozier and more like me every day, and I'm seeing my vision come through. God pushed me through. God pulled me through to get to this point, and you guys are going to see this journey from beginning to end. I'm trying to figure out a way to share the house when it's done instead of loading the videos now. You're kind of seeing the bits and pieces of behind the scenes and what's happening while the renovations are going on. But trust me, you don't want to miss out on all the great goodies that I'm going to have for you during that time and once everything is done. This channel has a lot to save you time, energy, money, and stress. All right, later, gators. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back. I do. I promise.